Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download all media from a Telegram channel or Telegram group chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Telegram application, and then I'm going to go to one of my channel or group chat on Telegram. I'm just going to go to my channel. Okay, and I'm going to download all media from this channel, for example. So we can click on the channel's name, and then we can click on these three dots, and then we just need to select export chat history. And here you can choose the media you want to download. If you want to download all the media, you just need to check the checkbox here. Okay, and then you just need to click on export to download all the media you have. Or if you want to download specific file, just select the type of the file you want to download. For example, if you want to download all the videos from the channel, you can select videos. And for me, I'm just going to select them all. Okay, then you can select the size limit here. And I'm just going to limit it, for example, 5 megabyte, and then we can click on export. Okay, and just hold on. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to click on show my data, and the data will be saved in the Telegram folder. Okay guys, and that's all the way to download all media from Telegram channel or Telegram group chat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.